My Gurudev, Sri Swami Madhvanand Ji, he has given me that science, meditations, everything what it is, he gave me. Swami Madhvanand Ji is a great saint. And of course he is a saint because Alakpuri Ji was at when the Shiva, with the Shiva, Alakpuri Ji, you will know all when you will ask. And that was Shiva time, and it comes after Shiva Puranas, then it is Satyuga, Dwapar Yugas, Treta Yugas, and these Yugas. All till there is Alakpuriji's. And in the Alakpuriji's, how I feel that Alakpuriji's even in Sri Swami Madhvanandji's. Madhvanandji's, Guruji's, Mahaprabhuji's, and Mahaprabhuji's, Guruji's, Devpuriji's. Devpuriji was in Himalaya many years. Then he came Alakpuriji's. And so Swami Madhvanandji, and Madhvanandji was very young. That time he came to his Guru, Mahaprabhuji. Swami Madhvanandji, he said that do good. Do good. And if someone is giving you negative, take it. Holy Guruji said, take it and take it in your, and did it in your body. In my body, all negative people will say, I will whole night meditate and I will clean everything from both sides. Their side and my side, Holy Guruji said. Swami Madhvanandji's, he went with the Mahaprabhuji's and he was working very hard and doing meditations, spiritualities, but in such a way, nobody can understand like that, because those who are very clear in their mind, in their heart, and in being, to be, Mahaprabhuji said, Swami Madhvanandji's. And so on, Mahaprabhuji's, Madhvanandji. So Mahaprabhuji said to Madhvanandji's, Madhvanandji, now you go to the world and give these blessings. Guruji was going, Gujarat and other parts of the Indias. But every 1 month he come back again to his Guru. And Mahaprabhuji said, you came very good. And what can I do? Madhvanandji said, Gurudev, you are in my heart and you are in my eyes. And I am always doing for you to the all. Not only humans, but also all other creatures. Holy Guruji meditating, and he said to me, to my name Maheshwaranand, I know, I give you, and you will be going far and far, but I will be with you. And that was Madhavanandji's. And that Madhavanandji was coming to the world. He came to, first I was there in other countries, and Holy Guruji came there. Holy Guruji went saw me that, and he told me many things, what you can have done. Holy Guruji said, I know, you spoke there, you was there, you were there, and I know, my dear, Holy Guruji said. Holy Guruji was very strong and not so easy for him. But that Holy Guruji said, on the one point there was that. And there my Guruji said, Maheshwaranand, now you are above. Now I will not tell you anything. You are my and I am your. Holy Guruji said, one in everything, one in all and all in one. Be my dear Maheshwaranand, Mahaprabhuji said that one in all and all in one. That you have to become one in that. Then you should be work, help, and give, and of course, very strictly, clearly, Madhavanandji's. And so, Madhavanandji came to many countries, and there was in London, in America, Europe, and in London, in all countries with the Mahaprabhujis. Swami Madhavanandji was giving, please take care the earth. Our earth we are, one day we will be in the earth. And earth will come again into us. Take care of this. The water is a life. It is said, Jal Jahan Jagdish. Jal Jahan Jagdish. Where there is a water, there is a God. Voda, the Voda is Jivot. In these countries they said, Voda Jivot. Voda means water. Jiva is the Jivas. Holy Guruji said, don't take the water too much away. Water is the great. Morning, when you will awake, Mahaprabhuji said, or Madhavanandji, come to near the water when you get up. And first water in your palm, and you see that. The water throughout the whole body. And if you put in, Holy Guruji said, the Holy Guruji's. Water and earth. It is said, always Guruji told me, when you are wake up and you put your hand, your foot down, tell me first, Mother, may I put my foot on you? Which mother? Earth. And now the earth, we have destroying the whole world. So chemicals, so many things that many animals are killing, humans are killing, so many diseases, there are so many. So that is in this holy Guruji said, please clean the earth, clean your eatings, clean everything, don't take these chemicals things. And then second of is coming, that people are killing the animals. And there is another thing is that the vegan, now I say the vegan, it means don't take from the animal's milk. Let them drink and they will be. And don't take the honey. That's also. And so many things it is said. Mala, Guruji ki malas. And you know that mala, everybody, if you say the Muslim people, every Muslim people, they have also mala in there. Everything. And the Christians also, but not to, they are giving up now. But many things. So Sri Swami Madhvananji, around the world and here, he was walking, taking good books of the Gurudevs and giving everyone the blessings. Madhvananji is still with us. His body is gone, but he is with us. Therefore, he said, one in all and all in one. That's Madhvananji, Bhagwan. So, we have to follow his words, his lectures, his blessings, and what he gave us, we should take in our heart and we should become one with that. All the best, my dears. Thank you very much. You are all coming. I am very happy about this. Thank you. Deep Narayan Bhagwan ki, Dev Purusha Mahadeva ki, Satya Sanatan Dharma ki, Alak Puriji Mahadeva ki, Satya Sanatan Dharma ki. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.